first person. Any one of you can ask me question now. Is it audible? Hello?
Audible, sir. Audible.
Thank you, Santanam. Any questions are there from IPR, sir? What is IPR? Whether I can convert my project work into IPR? I have published 50 papers so far. Can I convert that into patent? Any questions like that? Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Very, very good, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, I am asking about the IP is how much essential for school level students or in school education?
Very good. See, idea may come from anybody. You cannot say idea has come from only the professors or teachers like that. If any idea comes from anybody in this world, you can register that idea. If the idea must be innovative and or invention. I'll tell you what is the difference between invention and innovation. Invention means if you find first time, let us say phone, then it comes under the category of invention. Then what is innovation? If you add on value in that phone, let us say smartphone. In this smartphone itself, if you add on some value, like I want to open my phone, okay? I may have a hardware switch, or I can use a number lock, or I can use some pattern, or I can use my face. Many things, all are innovation. Added, one added. So if you add some value in that, if you add some technical advancement in the existing product, then it comes under the category of innovation. If students have an idea, if they have an idea in the existing product, a new innovative idea, where it is technical advancement, then if they make prototype and if they're able to document it and if they can submit it to the patent office, they can also get patent. There is no restriction like that. Even anybody can, if you born in India, if the rest of anybody can get. Yes, up to 18 years, you have to disclose who is your legal heir. Okay, so children cannot do directly. Through the legal heir representative, they can file. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. So it depends on the idea. It may be from 80 years old or it may be 7 years old. The idea should come. The idea must be innovative. Innovative means there is a technical advancement. Already existing product is there. You add plus delta. That plus delta is the technical advancement. Okay. Let us say like that I have a mic, my fixed mic in the podium. But I have a problem. I cannot walk and talk. So people have come with collar mic. There is an advancement, technical advancement. Similar like that. Okay. There is a fan in my room, but there is no remote fan. I cannot control the speed of the fan by remote. I have to go to the wall and I have to control the speed of the fan. Then if you add a remote control fan, then it is a technical. Any idea comes. There is no difference distinguish between the student or like that. Okay. Anybody can file patent. There one question from Sunil has come. Others also think of question, or you can type the question. Can file manufacturing patent? Yes, you can file patent only for a product or process. Okay, don't need to get full scale product. It may be a prototype. You can file only patent for a product or process. Okay, you cannot file a song for a patent. We will discuss what is the different all these things later slides. But anyway, I tell you, you can file only patent for a product or process. Okay. Any other questions, sir? Somebody can ask question or they can type. Anyone? Okay. Shall I go to my present? Yes, sir. What is the territorial principle of territory? Let us say, he has asked one question. Territory means, if you have an idea, if you are a resident of India, if you file a patent in India, there are 4 offices in India: Chennai, Calcutta, Mumbai, and Delhi. You can file only in Chennai because of geographical reason. If you are from Then assume you are from Punjab, you are filed in Delhi and so on. Okay, they are segregated like that. If you file a patent in India, in any one of the patent office, you have the rights only in India. Okay, you cannot claim any rights in other countries, Pakistan or Sri Lanka or China, something like that. If you want to claim rights, there also you have to file the patent. Territory means within country. If you are assume you are an Australian, you file only in Australia, you cannot claim that rights in India. Okay, then if you want to claim in India also, you have to file in India also. So that is the question. Okay, it is the rights given by the Indian government. So only rights will get in India. Any questions, sir? How to get patent? How to get patent granted at fast track? One minute. கேட்டு இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டானு கேட்டு அப்புறமா ஏன்னா அவங்க வேற ஏதாவது டாக்குமெண்ட் கேட்டால் இந்த ஜெனரல் சர்டிஃபிகேட் hello yes, how to get patent in a fast track? There is a very good question from right. Okay, like in train booking, that's a Tatkal scheme. Similarly, we have a fast tracking mode to get they call it as express request for examination. Another one is expedited examination. There are two schemes are there, but all cannot use it. Only let us assume that there are two cases. One is you have to file through international filing application, then only you get fast track. Another method is expedient examination. In expedient examination, you should be a startup, or you should be a government organization, or you must be an institution like you can go through that scheme, fast track scheme. Or among the applicant, any one applicant must be a woman. So if you have woman as in your team member, you can go to fast track. What is the difference between regular stream and fast track? In a regular stream, it will take around 2 to 3 years to get a patent. You apply today, after 2 to 3 years, they will say, okay, your idea is innovative, grant patent. But you do not wait. Once you file the patent, you can come out next day itself, you can manufacture and sell. Once you file patent, next day itself, you can send the same content to journal for publication. But you should know that. Okay, now I'm talking about fast track. Normally, traditionally, now people are taking 3 years, 2 to 3 years time to grant a patent. But if you go to Tatkala fast track, you may get in 1 year to 1.5 years. The minimum time requirement is 10 months. The latest is they have given one patent for within 10 months. So it will from 10 months to 1.5 year you will get the patent. That is what the fast track. But you have to pay extra. Like Tatkal scheme, you have to pay extra. Depends upon the individual. You are individual or you are a college. Depends. You have to spend around 40,000 extra and so on. Then another question, one more, does IP protection have time limit? Yes. It depends on the IP, intellectual property. If it is a patent, it has got only 20 years. After 20 years, anybody can use that idea. If it is a copyright, like a song, it is for 60 years, person life plus 60 years. If it is a design, you have to renew every 10 years. We will discuss about this later. Okay, anyway, I'm going to slide. In that slide, I'm going to tell. How to, another questions from Kumar Giri. How to get inventor name also appear on the patent grant certificate? Yes, very good question. I think one person has got some knowledge in IP in that group. Normally, if you apply a patent, you have to apply applicant, let us say, who is applicant. If you are in the college, you are inventor. Along with your student or all called inventor. You can register in the patent office in the name of as you as inventor. The college will be the applicant. The college name will be written in the applicant. College owns the patent. Okay, that is you have to understand. Any money comes out of this idea, you will go to college, and the college will have internal agreement with you, sharing of profit 50-50 or 60-40 like that. In Anna University, we are following 60-40. 60 will go to inventors, 40% will go to college, university system like that. Similarly, when you apply for a patent, they will after 2 to 3 years they'll grant patent. In the patent document, a certificate, it will state only the college name. The patent office glad to inform you patent has been given for this title, this number to the college name. Okay, your college name, but your name should be appeared. You have to fill a form 8. On form you have to fill form 8. You have to pay extra some amount, some 4,000, and your names will all be added as inventor. Okay, then you have to pay extra. That's a form you have to fill. Okay, right. But this has to be done before granting a patent. Okay, right. I think yes. How to get in also appear in the patent granting certificate. Right. I think yes. Any more questions? Somebody can ask also me questions so that you can check whether your audio system works or not. Okay. Any more? Okay. I am a research scholar. Can I get grant from DST and apply for patent the prototype? What about my guide? Shall I include my guide name? Very good question. A typical research scholar, Indian research scholar attitude, like our teachers. Okay. I am a research scholar. I can get DST. After applying patent, you want to, let us say for a patent, typically you have to spend some amount. Yes, I understood. Only in the patent office, you have to spend an amount, either 9,000 if you are filing in the individual name, your name with home address. If you are in the college name and college address, the college or you have to pay normally around 45,000. Are you clear? There are two fees involved in this. Assume like this, you are going to register a flat in the sub-register office, you have to pay some amount in the sub-register. Similarly, if you want to protect your idea, you have to prepare a document and you have to go to patent office and file. While filing, they will ask some amount as fees. There are two type of amount. One is individual category. If you are with individual home address, then if you are filing in the college address, you have to pay around 45,000. Okay. So after paying and getting the receipt, you can go to MSME or there are some funding agency will give back that amount. Okay, right. DST, I don't think DST, in the DST project work, while applying project itself, you can allot some money for filing a patent, something like the 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay. Then another question, DST will not give before, it will give only after. There are not only DST, many schemes are there. After paying only they'll give you. Okay, and apply prototype. What prototype is must in the sense, when you apply for a patent, they will not ask you while applying, show me the prototype like that. During examination, after 2 to 3 years, around 2 they will ask you, very rarely it should come with prototype for hearing. Okay, at that time you should have prototype. Without prototype, you cannot write the document properly. Okay, while writing a document, if you are not having a prototype, you cannot, they will know that you are telling like bending the sky. Okay, assume you have an idea to bend the sky. If you write it, while reading, they know, they are examiners, they know that you are just only bluffing, you are not made anything like that. So prototype is must before filing patent so that you know what exactly how it is done, how it is begun. Then document writing is a pleasure part that you will know. Your guide will be the co-inventor. Okay. So both will have, you, let us say you are guide, both will have equal rights. Assume BTech project, 4 students plus guide, all 5 will have equal rights. There is no first author, second author like that. First author give more points, second author is less, third author less. All will have equal right. Like your a property, a land owned by a father. If he has got 4 sons, all has got equal rights. You can, unless he is interested to write on its own will, it is not, but all will get equal rights. So without guide, do not submit any patent. Guide also plays a major role in getting patent or paper. Okay, please include. Right. Any more questions, please? Any questions you can type or you can ask me also. No problem. Any questions? Okay. I don't want any. Okay. Please ask me question. I have not started my presentation. I am expected more questions. If it's not there, no problem. Okay. Let me start my presentation. Somebody say yes or no. Are you all hearing? Okay. Let me start. Let's start the presentation. Okay. I think very few questions have come. And okay, it is a very good question. Some of the questions are very good. Okay, I hope now they are clear. Now they can understand my presentation. Okay. When you go to the patent office, okay, or when you do your project work, when you're guiding a student for the project work, or you do a PhD work, okay, you have to ask fundamentally 3 questions. The first question is whether your idea is novel. Novel means new. New means not published anywhere. You have some idea for doing a project work or research work. The idea must be novel. Now they call it as novelty. Novelty means it should not be published in conference paper or a journal paper or in TikTok or Facebook or WhatsApp. Okay? If you have a very good idea, if you tell your idea in WhatsApp or Facebook, anybody can use that idea. You have a good idea, but you are presented in a conference in a form of paper or in a journal, anybody can use that idea. They need not pay any amount to you. Sir, I have published around 50 papers. Can I patent now? The answer is no. Okay? The answer is no. Because once you disclose that idea to the public in terms of journal or paper or bit notice or in newspaper, anybody can use that idea. So if you have a very good idea, innovative idea, first you have to disclose in the patent office. You should not tell to your spouse or friends also. First you have to disclose in the, but then only you will get the rights. Are you clear? This is the first point. What is novelty? The second point is inventive step. Inventive step means a step has been taken for technical advancement, an improvement. I think somebody is not unmute your mic. Please put in mute so that I'm not hearing all. Then another inventive step means it may be economical advantage or any technical advancement or improvement like that. Okay. Then industrial use. The third one is the industrial use. Application. Your idea must be somebody should use. You have an idea, if nobody is not using that idea, means there is no use in it. Okay? There should be some application. It should come in the form of product, somebody should use that product. Okay, don't worry, the third part, any idea will be useful. I think somebody will use. So if you ask me what are the 3 important questions to be asked before applying patent, before you do a project, if students approach you for a project, you have to ask only 3 questions: novelty, inventive step, and application. So these are the 3 questions you have to ask. I will going to explain with some examples. Now I showed a component, a product. It is a paper clip. Initially, it is maybe in the form of rod, a lengthy rod. One guy folded this rod in such a way for some application. Okay? Now you know what is this. Everybody uses this and so on. Can I make this same? Now okay, you can make the same and sell the product because the patent life 20 years over. Anybody can make. Okay. Can I improve the system? Yes. How to improve the system? I have to fold in different way. If you fold in different way, it should have some significant improvement in the terms of it should hold more paper or it should hold the paper with more force. Similarly, people have done like this. So people have applied patent like this. Same rod, they have folded in different way. Then they have told that if you do like this, this, like this. And they told some advantages. If you do like this, it is advantages. Okay? So there is no end of the world. The first one, what you see is the invention. These are all now innovations. Patent is given for invention as well as innovation. Now I am showing another one component on the right hand side. This pin, safety pin, everybody uses. Almost all women use this. This is also one type of product. It is also patented. This 130 years old patent. Anybody can manufacture. Why I am showing all these small items? Because whatever you see in your eyes, in your office, in your home, in front of whatever you see, First, it went to patent office. You are not aware about that because you are a teacher. Whatever two-wheeler you see in the road, it first went to RTO office to register the number. Whatever car you see, it went to first to RTO office to register the number. Whatever the flat land, it has been registered in sub-register office. Similarly, whatever the product, if you see in the road or in your eyes, it has went to this registered because they want protection. Nobody should not use the same product, so on. Okay, they want protection. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to explain what is basically a IPR in another 3-4 slides. If you are able to understand another 3-4 slides, you can understand the entire IPR concept. Okay. Now you can see on the left hand side, I have a stem. This stem is made of wood. I hope these have been used in cricket for a long time. My question is whether they are using this stem now. That is the question. Then another my question is what will be the cost? Okay, the cost, assume it is 500 or 1000, assume this 1000 rupees stems. Will you use this stem for present international matches like T20 or IPL or any matches? No. Why? Because there are a lot of disadvantages in this stem. We are not able to judge quickly whether the bails came out or the batsman inside. All things are happening. In order to improve any technical advancement, people have come with this type of product. This is also a stem. The stem size have not changed. The bile stage have not changed. But the difference is as soon as the ball strikes on the stems, when they are separated, you can get the light. Okay. It is the difference between the existing one and this now present one. Now people are using this stump in international matches. Okay, one of the features is as soon as the ball strike, if they are separated, red light will go, and from longer distance by camera also you can capture whether he is out or not. Okay, right. Especially run out, it is very useful to judge people whether it is. You can see in the matches, a lot of slow motion they tell you on whether as soon as they see the light they give it out. Now, this is also a product, this is also a product. This product is improvement of this product. I'm going to apply the 3 rule here, okay, 3 criteria here. The first criteria is novelty. What is novel in this step? This step, the novelty is as soon as the ball hit when bails and the stems are separated by 1 mm, light will go. That is what the rule. Okay, when you switch on your light in your room, light is glowing. But here when it is separated, light is glowing. The second one is the inventive step. The step, what is the step here is, inside the biles, there is a LED bulb, battery, a sensor, and electronic circuit is there inside this. Okay.
నిన్నట్లాగా వచ్చిందల్లా కోడ్ కూడా వస్తే బ్రేక్ అయ్యేటి వాడే లింక్లో స్టోర్ కదా
ఈయన ఏదో పెట్టాడు మనం చెప్పింది ఏంటి సార్ నన్ను అడ్రస్ ఏదో చేసిస్తాను సార్ చేసుకోండి ఈరోజు ఆయన త్వరగా తీసుకొచ్చేసి రాడు సార్ అతను వచ్చాడు సార్ వచ్చినప్పుడు క్లియర్గా ఏంటి అని చూసుకోవాలి సార్ ఎక్కడ సార్ అనుకోయాడు ఆయన గాలి